Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to create a drop-down menu in Squarespace. Drop-down menus are a great way to keep your navigation clean and organized, especially if you have multiple pages under one category. So, let's dive in. The first step is to open the Pages section. Just log into your Squarespace account, like me right here, and then go to your site. And in the left hand sidebar, click on Pages. Now, to do that, you have to access your Squarespace account using your account credentials, and then click on this and select Account Dashboard, and you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Now select the website you want to add the drop down menu to it and enter in it. Click on it. Now, waiting. Now here, go in the left hand sidebar, click on Pages right here. Here you'll see your navigation setup, including main navigation and not linked. Second step is to add a folder for the drop-down. In the main navigation section, click the plus button and select folder. Let's look for folder here. Or we can choose drop-down here. Now, this will act like a drop-down menu item. Now give the drop-down a name that reflects the category, like services or products. Products. I'm gonna choose products here. Now for the third step is to add pages to the folder. Drag pages into this folder to nest them under the drop-down. You can add new pages or move existing one here. You can do this just like this. You can add another one here to your drop-down menu, etc. Now the folder will automatically create a drop-down menu with these pages right here. And that's it. You've created a drop-down menu, making your navigation cleaner and more user-friendly. If you liked this video and found it helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have furthermore questions about this topic, feel free to leave them below the video. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.